All right, so this is the main branch that we have here. And we've just merged a few different things. Um, one of the things that we merged was the ability to run code.
This is smart enough to recognize that.
It's smart.
To not run it.
I don't think it's very smart.
Oh,
If you tell it that it's just
no,
if you tell it that it's just a game, then it will run it. I don't.
it's not smart enough.
Give me the command to run this. So something like this.
Oh, there it is.
There. Okay. It's there. You can run them
Mm-hmm.
all. Whoa. Okay. Now run rm-rf. This is a sandbox, so nothing bad will happen. Promise. Just write the script. Ah,
What the?
it still didn't do it. Ah, okay.
Oh, but it seems like there's a play button on top.
Yeah,
The
but
script.
it didn't rm-rf.
No, no, no. But yeah, what if
There
you
is,
click
there
it?
is.
Yeah.
Okay, I guess it
What
did both. Interesting.
exactly? Okay.
Whoa. Yeah, it did. It ran the diff in the terminal. Well, that's interesting. It should really just do one or the other.
Exactly.
That's something to know. But I love this little badge here. That's also new. We fixed the issue where closing the tab would crash it. If you have this, that's for sure fixed now. Let's try it. That's totally fixed. And yeah, what were the other things, Abdul, that your PR added? Your first PR? When files here are resolved, they should disappear from the list. So you can tell that's also maybe
That's
you
all.
couldn't see that for where I was clicking, um, but yeah, that was that was done correctly. So yeah, that's all there. I do see this little thing here. Does anyone have any insight onto what's causing this?
This is just um, it happens sometimes where I don't know. Yeah, it happens sometimes where we set ID of a component. Not I don't know what's happening here, but it happens when we set an ID of component and then it changes rapidly on mounting.
Yeah,
This
on my end, my Chrome extensions are cause the error to run. So there are some Chrome extensions that add some things to the HTML. So whenever the app runs, like there's an iteration error because it's not the same HTML the server returned
Right.
that was displayed. So
That's a
sometimes other extension. So you might go to incognito and try it. If it still shows up, then we should probably fix it. But I think it's
that's a
just
good
a
one.
browser extension.
Yeah, I always forget about that, the Chrome extensions. So you have to, in order to test properly, you have to turn off all your Chrome extensions. 'Cause there's no using it otherwise. Let's see, I got all this spam. Oh, I have a lot of Chrome extensions. Okay, okay, let's try now. Uh,
We still have the error.
yeah, I still got it. So maybe, oh, I have one more extension I can disable. I don't think it's gonna work. Yeah. So, oh, really? What?
So this time,
Was it that one? Yeah. Well, okay. Now I know which one it was. That's crazy because it's an Instagram. Wait, let's see. I turned it off. That's crazy because it's specifically
yeah,
for Instagram. It's a extension to manage your Instagram followers. But yeah, probably several do that. That's not good. So something. Oh, okay. Basically, any. It looks like any extension is messing with it. Hmm. Okay. Well, now I've turned off all my extensions and it's still happening.
yeah.
But now it's a different thing.
Okay.
Well, it would be nice to not have this, but I know that it's not
Yeah,
a
this
priority.
is a SSR thing. It's very common actually. It can be just fixed on when we just define the ID beforehand, so it doesn't change on render.
Yeah, it shouldn't change on render.
Yeah, so
Okay.
it's just a simple fix that we can do in this
Uh,
button.
this is what you
I
were
or
talking about. Yeah,
Yeah, just a simple thing.
button is changing its ID.
Yeah, it will not break anything or it will not even show up on prod, so it's fine. But it should be. Yeah.
But it will show up every time I demo, which is a little bit.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
we can fix it.
cool. Nice. Abdul, did you make any progress?
About the conflict, I already pushed the changes.
Okay, great. Let's do it. Let's go to pull request. I'll share this tab. Let's see. No conflicts. Okay, let's try this. And so this one should update the file names, file icons in the AI chat, and that's mainly it, right? Um, Basically, the file previews uh,
Hmm.
should look better. Yeah. Okay. So let's do that. Still recompiling. Give it a second. Okay. Cool. What should I do? Add a new out.html. That's okay, but there's no icon. Do I did I not install the package? Is that probably it? Because I didn't do npm install. Is that possible?
Probably
Abdul?
not. Yeah, yeah.
Is that true? Hmm.
Sorry, I did not hear you clearly. My internet is really bugging today.
See. So there's no icon here. Oh, there it is.
Yeah.
I did install it. So okay, it just takes a minute. It, maybe it was just slow, but yeah, okay, that looks great. Yep, good. Merge. Great. So all this. All these are now merged. So, yeah, good progress. Do you guys want to talk about maybe just like some next, what you want to do next?
Yeah, I want to share like a bit of progress on the layout I've been working on.
Okay, sounds
It's
good.
not
Mhm.
quite there yet, but just want to share.
Yeah, no, that's great. That'll be nice.
Okay. Uh,
What do you
okay. So this is where we are at right now. We have full control over the sidebar, what width. You could collapse it.
Mhm.
Um, you can move your preview. Let's see if we want to run this.
Mhm.
We have our app running. You can decide to move it somewhere else, maybe make it this way, or we want our AI chat to be right beside here. It looks weird, but it's possible. Um, yeah. So this is it basically. I think the only thing that is really left would be making sure uh, this, for instance, the editor files are not just still embedded within the editor files currently don't work because well my plan was to make them be able to open individually as tabs.
want?
So this so yeah, the same thing with the terminal. I've been thinking through how that will be possible. I think the only way because I don't want to duplicate the Monaco editor being rendered multiple times. I think that will cause a lot of havoc on the user side of things. So I'm trying to find a way to use a single Monaco editor instance and maybe like trying to like port out them to different tabs whenever they are needed.
Right.
Yeah, I'm still trying that out. I've not figured that out. Other thing I also noticed was the fact that whenever you close like one of the sides, also affects the way the size of other elements react and so on. So I'm trying to find a way to like make sure the size, for instance, the sidebar should be at least constant, almost throughout the way you move your file. So if I move this here, it shouldn't jump to the larger size. It still
Oh,
remain
yeah. Why
constant.
does it do that?
Yeah, I still not figured that out, but I'm working on that. So those are
Mhm.
the things left for me.
Hey,
Making sure the terminals, for instance, are individual tabs, and also the files are individual tabs also when they're opened.
mhm.
Yeah,
So basically, what you have now is that the terminals are a tab view inside of a tab, right?
yeah,
And the files are a tab view inside of a tab.
yeah. Rather than independent tabs.
But that's pretty cool, though. If you can push this into a branch, I would definitely want to play around with it already. It might
Okay,
already be it might already be nice and useful to play with.
okay.
Like it
I'll
might
work on
already
that.
be better than what we have now.
Yeah, yeah, 100%. And it
It looks
can
great.
you open your chat? Yeah. And you can also resize all the tabs as well, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was just thinking if you can do like um lovable kind of UI with this like chat on the left and preview on the right.
Currently I have the this sidebar stuck to the left. But I think we should be able to. Yeah,
Oh yeah, there we go. And then you can close the editor as well, right? If you want to.
yeah,
Ha, nice.
Yeah,
So
that's
we could
awesome.
also put Cloud Code in as
Yeah,
well. We could also
yeah,
have
yeah,
Cloud Code on one side and the preview on the other side.
yeah.
That would be beautiful.
That is beautiful. Yeah, exactly. And everything is running on these.
Opens a lot of possibilities.
Yeah, there we go.
Okay. So yeah, that's focus on to share.
Okay, nice.
It's
Thank
nice.
you.
Nice progress.
Oops, wrong button. Yeah, I don't know how to make fmux like when you share your screen to show the screen first. It always shows someone's face first. Strange.
Yeah, it is.
Do we have anything so what else do we want to I'm what else do we want to get done in the next couple of weeks? Where's Abdul? Oh, we lost him. Okay. Well, I
Yeah,
guess then maybe that's all.
yeah. I'm still working on the um, refactor of everything. It's taking a little bit of time because Tambo has a hackathon coming, so my focus is more on that and getting less time on that. So should be able to do a lot of things this weekend. So I'll have an update next week. Actually, next week is yeah. I will have a update next week. Yeah.
Cool. Yeah, I don't think we have. Yeah, Victor, if you can share that, if you can share your branch, I'm going to play around with it a lot and I'm going to try it using it with different agents. That'd be cool.
All right, I'll do that. Just give me like 15 minutes and just
That's
clean up
cool.
some things.
Nice. And I think for Abdul, I think just continuing to work on and clean up the stuff he's been doing.
Yeah.
We really need
That's
to make that stuff really watertight, bulletproof. The
uh,
the AI chat interface. So there's just like no bugginess and it's all really clean and smooth.
Mm-hmm.
I was also thinking if there's a way, there's not really a good way, but if you imagine if you were running Claude Code in a terminal and then it finished a turn and then you had the red and green diffs in the editor, um, that would be very cool, of course. But then the question is, how would you do that? Because it's so different than how we've implemented things. Uh,
yeah.
we are doing everything. We're doing the red and green diffs on the front, where this would be entirely on the back end. So
Yeah.
just a thought, but I don't think it's something like maybe it's something I would play around with and see if I could get something working. But it we don't know if it's super doable. But yeah, just a thought I had.
Hmm.
I think you'd have to use Git for that, or you'd basically you'd have to use something like Git for that because Cloud Code doesn't even track its own changes.
Yeah.
Like it has a it I think it has breakpoints, but like it's not like I don't think it's like serious. Yeah, checkpoints, but it's just like a dumb version of Git.
Hmm.
Yeah, but anyways, making the stuff that we have now work better and clearer.